Are you curious if you are an Arcturian starseed? Then you're in the right place, because today I will share 8 signs that you are an Arcturian starseed, including fiscal traits. And make sure to stay until the very end, where I will share what the mission is of Arcturian starseeds. My name is Julia, and I help starseeds like you step into your purpose and power, so make sure to subscribe. Arcturus is a huge orange star, which is around 25 times the size of the Earth's sun. It can be seen just beyond the Big Dipper in the night sky. Arcturians are said to originate from a blue planet that orbits the star of Arcturus. The first sign that you are an Arcturian starseed is that you feel detached from social status. You might feel that social hierarchy is simply a human construct that breeds inequality. At the core of your belief is the feeling that all beings are equal, and social status simply distorts this. You don't think of yourself or any other people as being superior or inferior to each other. You have no interest in consumerism and showing the world that you are a success. This is a result of your deep feeling of empathy and your ability to put yourself in someone else's position, rather than categorize them based on their circumstances or society's view of them. Sign number 2 is that you enjoy scientific discussions. Rather than talking about everyday stuff, you prefer to discuss scientific topics. Your ability to understand these concepts comes naturally, and you can apply your spirituality to the facts of science. You believe that by implementing science and advancement in technology, the future of planet Earth could be extremely positive. Sign number 3 is that your memories are strong. Arcturians are blessed with strong, vivid memories. You may find yourself slipping into daydreams of the past frequently. Your childhood memories are still accessible, and you can remember sights, smells, and people with great clarity. Arcturian starseeds are likely to remember feelings from the past so vividly that they can be triggered by external stimuli like a particular song, someone's accent, or a scent. Sign number 4 is that you feel empathy. Just like Pleiadians incarnated on Earth, you frequently put yourself in the position of the underdog. You're likely to feel a strong urge to help another being that is in need. If you don't help someone who you feel needs it, a strong feeling of guilt is likely to follow you, especially when you're alone. As an Arcturian, you want to help all other beings to connect to their divine universal nature, and this quality makes you a naturally caring person. You understand that life is something to be shared with others, and therefore feel that if you make someone else happy, you in turn will feel happier. Sign number 5 that you're an Arcturian starseed is that you are good at planning. Arcturians tend to operate on a physical level and therefore are very good at drawing up plans. You might feel drawn to architecture or design and the act of bringing plans into physical reality. Arcturians' main chakra is the throat chakra, and they are therefore great communicators and can present their plans and ideas to other people clearly. You use your natural skills in science and math to come up with ideas that can improve the lives of other humans. Sign number 6 is that you are focused on a better future. Due to the forward-thinking nature of Arcturian starseeds, they are optimistic about the future of Earth and its inhabitants. You are often thinking of ways to make a situation better for yourself and those around you. People often come to you for advice about decisions that will impact their future. You're able to visualize the desired outcome, then take the necessary steps to manifest it in the physical realm. In sign number 7, we will look at the fiscal traits of Arcturian starseeds. It's common for Arcturian starseeds to have low blood pressure. They're also more sensitive to cold and feel it more than other people. This makes them more likely to settle down in warmer climates. It's unknown why this is, but many Arcturians report this. Sign number 8 is that you find it difficult to get close to other human beings. Arcturian starseed can come across as distant due to their active minds and constant thoughts on improving their futures. However, when Arcturians do form a close bond with another, they are likely to value the friendship or relationship very dearly and will remain loyal to the other person for a long period of time. Now, before we get into the mission of Arcturian starseeds, if you felt like the majority of these weren't resonating, it could be that you're not an Arcturian starseed, and I therefore recommend that you check out my free webinar on YouTube here link in the description, where I talk all about how to know for sure what your starseed origin is. So definitely check this out after this video. Now, what is the mission of Arcturian starseeds? Most Arcturian starseeds came to planet Earth to innovate and guide it into a new, better future. They are pioneers, constantly looking for ways to inspire positive change by applying their natural cognitive and practical skills. They came here to bring about a harmonious reality where technology and community are linked. Arcturians are not simply idealists, they follow through with their plans. By using a mixture of their divine knowledge from the spiritual realm and implementing it into the physical reality of planet Earth, they can achieve incredible things. Let me know in the comments if you think you are an Arcturian starseed, and if not, which starseed type. And also make sure to check out the full webinar in the description to find out which starseed you are for sure. Have a beautiful day.